If you want a quiet, clean, and adorable pet, consider adopting a rabbit. Pet rabbits can make wonderful animal companions for upwards of 10 years. While domestic rabbits are relatively easy to care for, there are important factors in determining if they make the right pet for you and your household. If you're planning to adopt a rabbit, make sure you do the following. Do your research. When considering a rabbit friend, there are some important things to research ahead of time. 1. Budget. Rabbits need proper housing and supplies to be happy and healthy. 1. Estimate the cost to see if adopting fits into your current budget. 2. Breed. Rabbits have unique personalities not necessarily related to their breed. 2. However, there are many choices of physical and temperamental characteristics to choose from. 3. Where to adopt. Decide where you will get your new pet. Adopting through a rescue or shelter is often ideal since rabbits are often litter box trained and socialized before adoption. 4. Medical care. Find a rabbit-savvy veterinarian in your area for checkups and help with any health problems. Have the right supplies. Some key supplies you'll need for a pet rabbit include 1. Food, rabbit pellets, grass hay, vegetables, and fresh water. 2. Simple indoor housing like a puppy pen. 3. A litter box and rabbit-safe litter. 4. Toys for exercise and mental stimulation. 5. Heavy food and water bowls. If you're unsure what else you might need for your new rabbit, consult your shelter or veterinarian for more ideas. Prepare your home and household. To rabbit-proof your home, consider protecting your furniture and baseboards from chew damage. Wood chair legs are especially susceptible to damage from rabbits' teeth. You'll also want to protect or hide any exposed wires or cables within your rabbit's reach. Be patient and welcoming. It can take time for a pet to adapt to their new environment. Be patient and sensitive to your rabbit's needs to make sure they're not overwhelmed. While they are social creatures, they also like their alone time, so make sure they have a place they can go hide under shelter. Rabbits can make an excellent addition to your home life. With the right preparation and supplies, you can provide a happy and healthy life for your new furry friend.